It's good to relax and chill out, I guess, and for me, I do that by going to the beach. Come down here mostly every weekend with my friends, or just by myself to go for a surf or just a sunbake, read a book, just to chill out and just put the week of work behind me. Since the last time you saw me, I've moved from phase 1 of my apprenticeship to phase 2. I've been recently transferred to CSM, which is the electronics division of AM Control, and just been working on small-scale electronics projects for underground mines, such as voice communication units, earth leakage devices, and end-of-line units. Right here I'm working on an end-of-line unit, which is just used on a conveyor belt in the underground mine situation.
Following on from Maddie's progression through AM Control's trade school that we have for the first years, Maddie's been transferred to AM Control Electronics CSM. Here we focus on the industrial applications for predominantly the mining environments. Here we have a system which is a longwall system. During Maddie's placement here, Maddie's been working on a number of the units we have in the system, including the end-of-life units, the voice comm. She's also doing some work on the lockouts.
Maddie's key skills, I believe, that she's shown not only here at TAFE but in the workplace are definitely her practical ability. She's very good analytically. She enjoys the workshop type environment, and she really enjoys the practical side of the trade.
From AM Control's perspective, Maddie's progression through the Energise Oz program has been fantastic. Currently I've got about 17 apprentices on site, a number of which have gone through the pilot program. Maddie's progression has been individual, so she's gone at her own level, but the competency and progression that she's made has actually been fantastic, and we're very pleased with the results there.
So given that I enjoy hands-on work, I guess that's obviously flowed on through to my work here at AM Control and at trade school. I really enjoy the magnetism theory that we did at TAFE, and also the domestic fault finding.
During the delivery at TAFE, we have a range of subjects that the students undertake. They undertake basic theory of electrical theory, electromagnetism, they undertake basic wiring exercises, including fault finding. And we find that these base principles are something that are used in the workplace on a regular basis. The principle of magnetism underpins a lot of what they do, in particular at AM Control, and also the requirement for very accurate and very formal testing processes, which we start here from day one and we finish right the way through the course, is the basis of AM Control's quality product. They must be tested, they must be working, and they must be in an A1 safe condition. And working here at TAFE to undertake that sort of safe testing protocols and then applying in the workplace is something that's given Maddie some great strengths within her workplace.
So in the next 6 months, I'm really looking forward to developing my skills. I really want to get into some testing and commissioning type work, just so you can see the things that I'm making actually working, which would be good to kind of get an idea of both things, I guess. And then I'm looking forward to rotating through the AM Control company. I'm going to heavy manufacturing next, which should be a lot different from this smaller scale work, because it's obviously big scale work. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Maddie has a number of exciting opportunities coming up, so she'll be spending the next 6 months here with us in the electronics division before moving on to our heavy manufacturing group at Tomago, after which she'll be spending time out in the field, so with our service crew, looking at maintaining and I guess problem solving with our customers out in the field. So stay tuned for phase 3, where you see Maddie engage with our customers then.
Can you put that in there? Make sure the thumbs up goes in there.